With the sunrise shining through the trees, morning breeze is whispering melodies to me. No rush in my footsteps, no chains around my mind, just a simple road ahead and peace I hope to find. I've been carrying burdens for far too long. I'm letting the river sing its song. The river keeps rolling, rolling on, through the dark of night, into the dawn. No matter where this journey leads, love and faith are all I need. The river keeps rolling, rolling free, like the spirit living inside of me. Children laughing somewhere down the dusty lane. Old guitars are playing underneath the rain. Every face a story, every heart alive. We're all searching for a little hope tonight. And when the world feels heavy on my soul, keeps rolling, rolling on, through the dark of night, into the dawn. No matter where this journey leads, love and faith are all I need. The river keeps rolling, rolling free, like the spirit living inside of me. We rise together, we never divide. The roots run deep beneath the ground.